video. For today's video, I am doing what I wear to work. And this is a very real life video. I feel like a lot of times on my channel and on my Instagram, I'm showing the outfits that I wear on the weekends. But in reality, I have a 9-to-5 job. I work in New York City, in Manhattan, and majority of the week I am wearing clothes to work, and that really is a separate style from what I wear on the weekends. And I thought that this would be a really helpful video, especially for those of you who, I know at this time of year, it being June, a lot of people have just graduated and they're starting their first jobs pretty soon, and maybe want to know what to wear to work, what to wear for their first day if they aren't familiar with working in an office, or maybe you have years working in an office environment and you just want some inspiration. So I thought that this would be a fun video, and I can't wait to get started. By the way, this is for if you work in a more casual office. I know if you work in, say, finance or in a lawyer's office or something more formal, that's going to be a completely separate, a completely separate way of dressing. It's much more formal, it's much more businessy. I work in a more casual office. It's marketing. I've also worked in startups before, and so usually it's kind of like a very casual style, and I think that that's actually happening more and more. Offices are starting to lighten up a little bit on the dress code, which is great, and I think that it just makes so much sense. That being said, I still do think that it is important to be a little bit modest. I don't think that it's great to wear like little spaghetti straps. I think that you should at least try to cover your shoulders. Don't wear skirts that are too short, the basics that everybody knows. And it's also important not to look sloppy. I know in my office, for example, a lot of girls, because there is no formal dress code, people will wear, say, ripped jeans, and their hair will be up in a messy bun, which, I mean, I wear my hair in a messy bun every day, but just a t-shirt. I feel like at the end of the day, you still want to almost dress for the job you want. You want to show the people that are above you, your boss, that you're serious about your work and that you have your life together. You're not staying up really late and you're so tired, so you're just kind of walking in and you're wearing whatever. You still want to look like you tried and you put together and you're put together. So that's sort of the outfits that I wear. It's appropriate for work, yet still casual and still really cute. So on that note, the first, I guess, section or type of outfit that I wear to work is dresses with short sleeves. And I say this because I have so many cute dresses with little spaghetti straps, but if I were to wear those to work, I would wear either a little sweater, a cardigan over it, or a denim jacket, something of that nature, just to cover up. And also at the same time, it's usually freezing in most offices. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but it'll be so hot outside and then they blast the air conditioning inside. So you don't always want to dress for the weather outside if you're going to be inside in your office all day. Something you can do is just leave a sweater, or some people leave a little blanket on their desk, in case you get cold. But in general, yeah, I feel like that's sort of the rule. So when I say dresses with short sleeves, what I mean is something like this, where it's just sort of casual. This is from Zara. This isn't, this one I guess technically isn't really a short sleeve, but it's a very thick sleeve that comes down a little bit. Same thing with this one, it's just a dress with short sleeves. The reason why I like these is because it's a dress, you feel like you're dressed up, but you're covered in all the places that you want to be. This is another one. This is just from the Loft. This is a wrap dress, actually, from Reformation, and it's got the short sleeves. This is one of my favorites. It's really cute. And all of these are affordable too. This is just from H&M. This was probably all of $12. It's got this cute little bell sleeve. This is great for not even just in the summer, but in the fall with some tights, or the winter. I also have these three cute ones that I showed on my channel recently from Zara. This one is a fun printed one with the short sleeves, and it's just mid-normal length. This one as well, it has the collar and also short sleeves, and I love this pink one. So yeah, I have tons of just dresses with short sleeves. I feel like that is the easiest, simplest outfit that is appropriate for work. It's still casual. Yeah. The next outfit that I wear regularly to work is just pairing a collared button-up shirt with a pair of nice jeans. Not ripped jeans. I know that ripped jeans are like a thing right now and they're really cute and it's trendy. If I were to wear those, maybe it would be on like a casual summer Friday, but not, you know, generally every day. I like to wear almost like a dark wash fitted, like, you know, nice pair of jeans. And I pair it with a cute colored top. So, you know, this is just from the Gap. This is also from the Gap. But, you know, you can get button-ups wherever. This is like a go-to for me. I wear this all the time, something like this. You don't even have to wear it as a button down. What I've done is actually like tied it at the bottom, which is really cute. I want to point out this top from Zara. I think literally every girl in New York, I feel like, has this top. I bought it a year or 2 years ago and they're still selling it. It's just the plain blue and white stripe button down with the pockets and of course the collar. And then the sleeve comes up like this, so you can roll it up. You could tie it at the bottom. It's really cute. I've worn this, of course, with jeans. I think I've also paired it with like a skirt. There's just so many ways that you can wear this. I'll try to find a link and leave this down below, or if not, maybe a similar item. But yeah, I'd say, you know, if you're starting a job soon, this is always a good one to have. And then on that same note, white button downs are essential. Every girl, I think, needs to own a classic white collared button down in their closet. This one is from the Loft. My style is just like, you know, I always have to do some type of like a cute little frilly thing on. That's just my style personally, but there's of course a lot of different types out there. And then this one is from Zara, same thing. It's got the cute little sleeves. This one actually cinches. This one's really cute on. I know some of these on the hanger, it's like hard to tell, but this is actually really cute on. I love wearing this in meetings and just being like, yeah, I know what I'm talking about. The next outfit that I wear to work regularly and that I love are maxi skirts. And the reason why I like this is because, yes, I do love mini skirts. Like, I love my mini skirts. But I have really long legs, and sometimes mini skirts on me are perceived as if they're a little bit shorter because my legs are long. I don't know. I always got in trouble with dress code when I was younger, so I just avoid it when it comes to work. But these are really cute maxi skirts. This pink one is from Reformation. I got it at a sample sale. I'm obsessed. I get so many compliments when I wear this. And I would just pair it with like a white short sleeve, or, you know, you could tie up one of those white button downs. That'd be really cute with, say, like a pair of flats. This one I think I got at H&M. And yeah, same thing, just like a pretty blue maxi. Pretty simple. The next piece that I think that everybody should own, especially around the spring and summer and even fall season, is a cute trench coat. And I got mine at Aritzia. You guys might have seen it when I did my recent spring clothing haul. And I absolutely love it. Since I bought it, I think I've been wearing it every day that I needed a jacket. It's just so great to have one of these. You just throw it on over whatever you're wearing. You're warm, but you also look put together. And yeah, I think that this is like a really cool, stylish piece that everybody should own. The next item I think is really important are cardigans, and I own a black one and a white one. They're not the same, but they're practically the same. They're the same style. These are great if, say, you wanted to wear a pair of jeans and a tank top. You could pair like any cute little like tank top blouse with a cardigan over it, and it's just a really simple, easy way to still look cute and a little bit dressed up, but not too much. It's still casual, it's still business casual. And yeah, these are so versatile, so great. All right, and the last tip, and I think that this is one of the most important, especially, well, pretty much only if you live in a city and you commute, are comfy commute shoes. And I'm talking about shoes that you wear only during the commute, and then when you get to your desk, you take them off and you put your like actual cute shoes on for the day. Especially like in New York City where I live, we do so much walking, and it really can be hard on your feet and your soles and your ankles if you're wearing shoes that aren't supportive. So I actually have 2 pairs from this company called FitFlop. They're, I think, the most comfortable shoe I've ever worn, and you'll see that it's super thick right here, which is amazing. But it doesn't have to be FitFlop, it can be any sneaker, just something that's comfortable. I know that Asics, even though they're not the cutest, I know that those are some of the most supportive sneakers on your ankle. I know that Teaks also make really cute, comfortable, walkable flats. So if sneakers really isn't your style, maybe you're wearing a dress or something, I think like a cute, like comfortable, supportive pair of flats is also really great. But yeah, that's it. And if you're someone who is starting a job soon, I think my tip would be buy a couple things before you start your job, but then wait until a week or maybe 2 weeks in to actually buy most of your stuff, only because I feel like it does differ a little bit per office, and you don't want to waste all this money on clothing that you're not 100% sure if it fits that office environment or not. I know obviously for your interview and maybe for your first day you are going to be slightly more dressed up, but I would say that was one thing that I regretted before starting my current job, was I did like a huge haul of clothes that I thought were a little bit more formal than what, you know, how people actually dress in my office. So that's something I think it's just good to know, is if you are starting a job soon, maybe give it a week or 2 before you know, go on a big spending spree. But other than that, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please feel free to subscribe. And also, if you are interested in some daily outfit inspiration, I have an Instagram account. It's called The Fashion Squirrel. I'll leave a link down below. I'd love to connect with you guys there as well as on here. Please subscribe if I haven't already said so. And hopefully I will see you guys next time. All right, bye.